Hello, my name is Maria Fernanda Suarez Gonzalez. Today I am going to tell to you about Python. What is Python? Python is a tool to make online presentation with an intuitive graphic and fun user interface, which is very useful to create, motivate, and attractive content or let the students express themselves helps giving free rein to their imagination with regard to other presentation creation tools or PowerPoint, Impress, or Google Drive. Python has the advantage that it allows you to make animation format presentation create from cartoons to which we can add sound effects, the music, we like it or our own voice. To enter, we type in our browser to edit http www.python.com/edu/ version for education, students, and teachers. And choose to create a free account. When we click in slash, we can see the page in the window. We then fill out the registration for with its different fields to register. After we show the type of product we can to create, presentation or videos. In this case, we will choose to work with the format of the presentation. Next, pop-up window appears to choose the template that we like the most among the set able to the application. We can see or then turns the document is created. Click on the edit icon in the superior part. And after we are ready to produce the content within the resource palette, Python puts at our disposal in the work area. We use drag and drop, which shows the type of text and the effects on animation, gradual incorporation of the words or of a shadow of the letters, a hand that rises, the images, characters, icons or marks by way of illustrations, and the type of background of the slides, the music of the application itself or a voice file of our computer, etc. When we are finished, we check the result by clicking on Preview and Export, where we can see the preview of the presentation and export it. Practice good and now it's time to practice. I invite you to use this tool with for your words or just clay your class more dynamic and interesting. I I hope you can use this as its tool. Thank you.